Donnie sa kanya lang daw si Bel Mariano, ipinagdamot ang girlfriend. She's mine and I'm hers. She was mine and she'd been mine since I was 23 years old. I couldn't let her go. She'd still be mine forever. Oh, bongga! She was the most beautiful thing I had ever seen. Dagdag pa ng aktor, she's not just my girl. She's my home, my rest, my heart, my safe place, and she's mine, only mine. Ay, bongga, sana all ipinagdadamot.